Is Spain behaving like a fascist state? Owen Jones.
Well, certainly as a very authoritarian, anti-democratic state, to say the least. Look, it doesn't matter whether you support Catalan independence. It really is actually quite irrelevant. The issue is, do you support the right of the Catalan people to freely determine their own future without being dragged from polling stations and thrown downstairs? And in modern Europe, to see an elected Catalan, an elected political leadership, fleeing a country to claim political asylum and being locked up in prisons should chill every single European and encourage us to stand in solidarity with the Catalan people. Look, I think this is a bit like the right to divorce. Just because you support the right to divorce doesn't mean you think everybody should get divorced. But imagine you've got a married couple and one of them said, you know what, I'm having second thoughts about this. Not sure it's working out. I'm thinking about a divorce. And the response of the partner was, how dare you, screaming in their face, vetoing any talk of a divorce and making their life increasingly hellish. In a sense, the right to national self-determination is similar. I don't happen to support Catalan independence myself, but I do think they have a basic democratic right to determine whether an independent state or not. If Scotland had been denied the right to determine its own future, that would have been a democratic outrage. And in modern Europe today, the least that the other European governments can do is tell the Spanish government, stop assaulting voters, stop locking up elected politicians, stop denying the right of your people to determine their own future, and stop attacking civil liberties. And whatever you think about independence, that should be something that unites all of us, I think.